Just majors and perfects. Just getting used to seeing those two. Okay. You always start off with the number of what the interval is, and then figure out what the quality of the interval is. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a fourth. If it's a fourth, then it's perfect. All right, fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Makes it perfect. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Makes it major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Makes it major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Remember I said in the last video they have to both the same accidental, then it's perfect. It'll be important later. All right, 1, 2. It's major. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Makes it major. Same accidental. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's perfect. 1, 2, 3. Major. One, 2, 3, 4. It's perfect. Remember I said to you about the notes B and F? One accidental. That's the exception. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Major. 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 1, 2. Major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's perfect. Remember I said about the exception of B and F? That's the exception. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's major. 1, 2, 3. Major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Major 7. And that's a second, so that's a major second. All right, let's do this real quick. And this one's a major third. 1, 2, 3. That's a second, so major second. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a perfect fourth. We get to here, it's one step, so it's a major second. This one to this one, it's kind of like a little reference here. 1, 2, 3, it's major. This one's a step, so it's a major second. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's perfect. This one to here. It's all the way up to 8. So it's a step. So it's a major second. This one's major second. That's the same note, so it's a perfect 1. This one's a perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3. Major third. This one to that one. Second, so it's major. This one's third, so it's major. Back down to major third. It goes up to fourth, it's a major fourth. All right, sorry I went there a little bit too fast. My battery is dying on this camera.